25 to life from one mistake. That's a heart full of pain, that's 2 lives destroyed, one in this cage and one in a grave. I carried a knife as a weapon, knife crime, where you can end a man's life in a second, but what's your mind like? I felt trapped in. How did I allow myself to be distracted by this road life? I won't lie, in here, I've cried plenty. And the day the judge gave me a life sentence is the day my life ended hurting. Cause deep down we both know, it wasn't worth it.
Fam, I need you to hear that life's never perfect, and I'm glad that you know in your heart it weren't worth it. You're hurting, I heard it, you were shocked by the verdict. You never thought they'd have given you such a long bird, it kinda blew your mind. But you never mentioned the trail of destruction that you left behind. So many people just lost in their grief, a child soldier deceased in a war over streets and postcodes. Kids getting wet up like soap clothes, spare a thought for the families on both sides because they both cried. And I know you never meant to take that life, but that's a risk that you take when you walk with a knife.